Hi everyone, I am Dr. G. Chandrasekharan, an orthopedic surgeon. I treat patients with bone issues, treat surgically patients with bone fractures ever since 2009. I am basically a domicile of Pondicherry. Today I am going to share my experience with a surgical procedure called PFN or proximal femoral nailing, which is done to address the fractures around hip region in the human body. On a fine day, it happened for me to receive a 70 years old lady in my place with a history of fall sustained onto a left hip. It may be called as a trivial fall, with complaints of pain over the region and inability to walk or stand following the fall. I executed a basic investigation which includes X-ray of pelvis with both hips, which revealed a fracture of the left hip of femur, precisely described as stable undisplaced intertrochanteric region of left femur. Though the patient had multiple medical comorbidities like hypertension, diabetes, and cerebral infarct, which is old blood clot in the brain, for which she was on medications, I advised them to get the details of those medications. Meanwhile, I applied a splint or orthotics over a left ankle, which is called DRB or derotating boot, which prevents movement at the left ankle and indirectly prevent any further movement at the injured left hip. Following which, I told the patient to get reviewed in a couple of days. Unfortunately, the patient didn't turn up. Drastically, a few months later, the patient was accompanied by her daughter with the complaints of increasing pain over the fractured left hip and with inability to walk few steps ahead, the status being the patient is bedridden. However, the patient was misguided by the peer groups to get treated by the native bone setters, who are basically unorganized. And now she came to me with huge complications. I repeated the X-ray of pelvis with both hips, which now revealed that the fracture has been proximally migrated and displaced from the normal anatomical region. Here it is labeled as 1 month old, displaced, unstable, intertrochanteric fracture of the left femur. Post these investigations, I enabled to pull the fractured and displaced surface down to the near normal anatomical surface by doing a procedure called skeletal pin traction, wherein a 6 mm metal rod called Steeman pin is inserted through the bone, from one end of the bone to the other end of the bone, of the lower 1/3 of the injured thigh bone, that is femur, the sides of which are attached a bolus stirrup, wherein from strings are attached to get it down to the other end of the bed, where from measured weights in progression are attached. I initially applied a weight of 4.5 kg hung to the cot's end, with an increment of 0.5 kg up to the level of 6.5 kg, wherein I repeated the X-ray to reveal that the earlier displaced and proximally migrated fragment has come down to the near normal alignment anatomically. At this juncture, I admitted the patient to perform the earlier said procedure called PFN or proximal femoral nailing after obtaining the patient's consent and the anesthetist fitness. The procedure goes this way. The patient is positioned on the fracture table and under the guidance of a specialized fluorescent imaging called CIAM, the fracture pattern is viewed and manipulated. The PFN or the proximal femoral nail was inserted through the medullary canal of the left femur or the thigh bone. It is then manipulated, aligned and fixed to screws. Post-surgery, we did a check X-ray which revealed that the surgery was executed properly despite the patient's age, which is 71 years, her persisting anemia, her vitals, her persisting hyponatremia, which is low sodium level in her body. The surgery was successful. I repeat, the surgery was successful. Finally, the patient reposed the trust on me by a smile. On the day following the surgery, that is post-op day 1, the patient was made to sit on the cot. On the day 2 or the post-op day 2, she was allowed to stand on the floor with the help of a walker support. Here, the patient had the support of the non-injured limb or lower limb on the ground. Concomitantly, I advised my physiotherapy team to perform basic bedside exercises with utmost care to the back and to the chest. The physiotherapy was carried out and the patient was progressing towards the normality within a span of 8 weeks. Here's the patient's attendance review on the surgery.
முந்தானேத்து சர்ஜரி பண்ணாங்க சார். நேற்று கொஞ்சம் பிஸியாக கொடுத்து கொஞ்சம் உட்கார வச்சாங்க. இன்னைக்கு கொஞ்சம் பெட்டராகவே உட்காடுறாங்க. அவங்களும் கம்ஃபர்ட்டாக இருக்காங்க. எனக்கும் கொஞ்சம் கம்ஃபர்ட்டாக இருக்குது. எனக்கும் கொஞ்சம் ஹாப்பியாக இருக்குது. சாரோட சர்ஜரியில் வந்துட்டு எனக்கு ரொம்ப திருப்தியாக இருக்குது.
Thank you. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and comment. Thank you.